Hi, in this tutorial, we will learn how to fully automate a news summary site using AI. Under the WordPress Automatic plugin menu, click New Campaign. Select AI articles as the campaign type. Write your desired topic. In this tutorial, we will build a football news summary site. Enable this option. Write your desired prompt for the summary generation. Increase the number of calls so as not to be limited by one article. Write your desired title. Enable this option. Click to enable web search so the model can get the latest news from the web. Hit the Publish button. Now the campaign is published and is ready for processing. Click Run Now. A new post was created, automatically summarizing what really happened in the football world. You can set the update interval so it posts the latest summary every day as a new post. We can generate a featured image using AI as well if needed. Enable this option. Hit the Update button. Click Run Now. A new post was created successfully. The featured image was generated using AI. Thank you for watching. The plugin link is in the description.